You've given up so much to be here, so now it's time to go out there and show it. Hey, awale, ole kako Aganu'u, ele o se Aganu'u e keu I lalo I, ole kako Aganu'u, ole Aganu'u e whaasoa kui whafo. As you can see by all the different live pieces that we're doing, it's all about showing love, thanking people, appreciating things. So you don't want to show appreciation down here. Ole pa ia o Samoa wa poko poko nga o ensie poko poko I lalo I. There's no poko poko down here. Ole pa ia o Samoa wa poko poko.
Talofa, my name is Mabel Fatialofa Mangale, and this is my husband, Dan Mangale. We pastor here at the Hilltop City Church in Seattle, and we've had the great pleasure of hosting Anonymouz Samoa 101 here in Seattle and Tacoma this week. It's been a great week, right from Sunday afternoon till today. This is Thursday afternoon. We really enjoyed the teaching and the sharing of Aganu'u Samoa in a way that our children and the young adults and us have been able to glean and learn some things and really enjoy what's been taught and shared.
We would rather turn to dust on this spot, very spot here, but we will never go backwards, meaning Samoa will stand its ground and we will never let you do what you want to do with Samoa.
Hi, my name is Vamangalo Ativalu. I'm 13 years old and I'm from SeaTac, Washington.
Hi, my name is Hajane Ativalu. I'm 10 years old.
It's pretty amazing how we've learned so much about our culture in just 6 days. And I'm curious to know more about the culture.
About like how our parents grew up in the little life that they had and how they want us to grow up. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Masepa Tuita'u. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Kent, Washington. Some of the words were hard, but like just once you get to know it, like the moves just flow out of you.
Talofa, I'm Jacopo Pope. I'm from Missouri, and you know, this week's been awesome. We've been having a lot of fun, learning a lot of new things about my culture that I haven't known before. It speaks volumes with my family, you know. They, all my little siblings, they see me, and being an Afakasi, you know, they see me and they're like, man, why are you so excited? Man, I get to speak grandma's language now, you know. I get to speak the language of our ancestors, and I'm learning how to do our cultures and traditions properly.
Well, one of the things that really stand out to me that sets this program apart is the fact that the heart is in it. And there's something that's conveyed besides just the facts and just the technicality and transfer of information, but the heart that's behind it, the origins. And I can see, just as they're teaching that to the American kids here, that mindsets are being changed about our culture. And a lot of our kids who are very resentful, just because of lack of true understanding, I can see their hearts starting to change. And now, not just doing it because it's their identity, but really just embracing it.
After the second session, me and my sister were just practicing our sulas. And then our grandpa just came out. He had an accident a while back, and he's still trying to recover from it. But he was just shocked to see that we're learning, and yeah. Sorry. He was just speechless, and he was just helping us with it, and then like. He was just proud of us, and then he just, sorry.
So please do this for your families. Do this for your parents. Do not give up. Don't ever give up, because we got you.
There's no way I can pay